Sahajaste, natural in me affirms natural and authentic in you. Our physical body is connected with first two chakras. First chakra is called Mooladhar or root chakra. Second one is life chakra or Swadhisthana. Because physical body is made up of matter, which is the first chakra, energy, which is the second chakra. So matter and energy combined forms our physical body. So first chakra, chakra of matter, its function is to give us solidity, grounding, and rooting. That is why its element is earth. As we know, all life is grounded in earth, connected with earth. But also matter or the first chakra is related to death. So if there is a pure matter, life will die. But when it is combined with energy, life comes. So the Kundalini energy is actually located between the first and second chakra. Because that is what happens in the body. The process of matter and energy, life and death are continuously going on, uninterrupted. Without death, there cannot be any life. Without life, there cannot be any death. They have to function in harmony, in combination. So what happens if there is too much energy in first chakra? Then we will be stuck, like in a marsh. That means we will become too heavy because of the matter, we will be depressed. And if it goes too deep, we may even commit suicide. So the whole idea of the first chakra is, yes, we are rooted, we are grounded like a tree, but we must move up in open, in energy to live. That is why the gland for the first chakra is adrenal gland. Adrenal gland's function is survival, life. And as we mentioned, that first chakra is connected with earth element, and all smell, they come from earth. There is no smell in the space. So that means first chakra is connected with our nose, because that is where we experience the sense of smell. First chakra has 4 frequencies or 4 petals, 4 dimensions, 4 directions. And it is located between anus and vagina or anus and penis, the area which is called perineum. Or some people say that it is located at the lowest part of the spine or backbone. So there are 2 descriptions. And just like any other chakra, first chakra can have 3 movements. Downward movement will be depression, heaviness, death. Then horizontal movement, which will give grounding, rooting, stability, confidence. Upward movement, when it will be connected with other chakras and bringing the possibility of rooting, grounding, as well as a sense of care, earth, the mother, in all other chakras. So let us see few slides to again understand the first chakra better. So as you can see in this picture, location of the root chakra Muladhara. And here are the 4 petals, 4 dimensions, 4 frequencies or vibration of this chakra. And as you can see, it roots the tree of life in the body. When rooting is not there, we feel anxious, we feel disoriented, we feel ungrounded. But when there is too much into it, we feel heavy, we feel paralyzed, we feel depressed. And you can see how it is connected with the spinal cord and the nerves in perineum. And in all living beings, the process of dying and living goes on simultaneously. So first chakra, dying, matter, second chakra, living. And that is how our body, our life is formed. First chakra is connected with matter, and we have visible universe, material universe, which we can see through our senses, eyes, nose, touch, smell, and taste. But there is a invisible material world, which is called quantum world. It's a micro world, very small. This is also connected with the first chakra. And as far as the brain is concerned, first chakra is related to reptilian brain, lowest part of the brain shown with the pink. Because reptilian brain is responsible for body's functioning and its survival. And as you can see, first or root chakra is connected with adrenal gland, again important for survival. If that gland is not there, we won't experience emergency of fear and we may actually injure or die. Connected with the earth, sense of smell. And these are the characteristic again of the first chakra: matter, rooting. It forms our fundamental self, the body, connected with reptilian brain. First chakra remains unconscious because most of the body we cannot become conscious ever. Connected with death, and survival of the individual is at stake. It is also tribal and communal because we are not individualized at the level of the body. Element is earth. Also, in terms of time, there is no time. If you really look at the material part of the body has no sense of time. And also Hatha Yoga emerged from here because Hatha Yoga is a door into the body to achieve higher consciousness and Kundalini. And also at the level of first and second chakra, first knot of the life. Knot means the complexity, the complicatedness of our life emerges. So we carry the knot, the problem in our body. If our body was injured, traumatized, abused, all kinds of things which happen in our life creates a complicated knot, a twist. So our body, instead of working, functioning freely, remains tense, develops an armor, almost a permanent tension in the body, and we cannot relax. So those are the fundamentals of first chakra, root chakra, Mooladhara. Sahajasti.